my friends, welcome back. It's Estelle and today I am going to share with you a popular street food from the Ivory Coast called Choukouya. Yes, you got it right, Choukouya. Choukouya simply means grilled or braised meat. Now the base and the prep of this recipe is simple and very easy to make it. The Choukouya seasoning is a blend of spices that is used. I am going to use a ready-made Choukouya seasoning for today's video, but don't worry guys, I will be making a separate video just for you guys about how to make your very own Choukouya seasoning at the comfort of your own home. The chicken pieces I will be using today are chicken thighs. They cook quickly, they require very little effort, they have loads of flavor, and they are super family friendly. So let me show you how to make it. So guys, to get started, I've got 2 pounds of chicken thighs or 1 kilogram of chicken thighs. Now whenever you are working with any type of chicken, you want to make sure that you get it off the fridge about 20 to 30 minutes before it gets to your pan or to your grill. This is gonna help to take the chill off the chicken and ensure that the chicken cooks evenly. Next, we are going to marinate the chicken. Add in the Choukouya seasoning along with some oil, because you always need fat in the marinade to help the meat retain moisture as it cooks. chicken is cooked. So go ahead and add in your garnishing and some of your choukouya seasoning. Then you are ready to serve. Look how appetizing and delicious my chicken looks. Guys, I'm going to enjoy this with my family. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you do, make sure to like the video, share with your family and friends, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up, and please don't forget to like and subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video, you will always be among the first people to see it. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media such as my Facebook at Cooking with Estelle. Until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye bye.